In this video, we will show you how to download, install, and set up the Lovense Cam extension and Lovense Connect app. We will show you how to use tip-activated vibrations on major cam sites like Chatterbait, StripChat, MyFreeCams, BongaCams, Cam4, CamSoda, and more. In order to use the Lovense Cam extension, you need to create a Lovense account. Once registered, the whole Lovense ecosystem is available to you. To broadcast with Lovense toys, you can use any one of the following options: a Windows computer and your mobile phone, a Windows computer and the Lovense USB Bluetooth adapter, a Mac computer with a Bluetooth 4.0 Plus built-in, or a Chromebook and your mobile phone. Follow these steps to get started. Go to the download page in the camming section at lovense.com or to the Lovense section on cam101.com. It will look like this. To make your toy vibrate to tips, you need the Lovense Cam extension and the Lovense Connect app. Download the Cam extension for Chrome or the Lovense browser with built-in Cam extension. If your computer is a Chromebook, download the Cam extension for Chrome. Otherwise, the choice is yours. The Lovense browser is easier to use, but if you are dedicated to using Chrome, you may choose the Cam extension for Chrome option. Next, download the Lovense Connect app. If you have the Lovense USB Bluetooth adapter, download Lovense Connect for PC. If you have a Mac, you can download Lovense Connect for Mac. Otherwise, download the mobile version, which you can find in the App Store, Google Play, or the Downloads page. If you downloaded the Cam extension for Chrome, you will need to unzip the file and add it to your Chrome extensions. Locate the folder you downloaded. Right-click on the folder and choose Extract All. Launch Google Chrome, click the three dots icon, then select More Tools. Then click Extensions. Turn on Developer Mode in the top right corner, then click Load Unpacked. Choose the unzipped folder. It should be called Lovense_Cam. Now you can see the Cam extension in the list of Google Chrome extensions by clicking on the extensions icon. You can pin the Cam extension to the extensions bar. For the Lovense browser, the extension icon will already show up in the top right corner of the browser. Click on the extension icon to launch it. In the window that appears, enter your Lovense account email and password. Log in and click Settings. If you use the Lovense Connect mobile version, pair your Lovense toy to the app first, and then use the app to scan the QR code in the top right corner of the screen. If you have the Lovense USB Bluetooth adapter, launch Lovense Connect on your PC. The app will automatically scan and find the Lovense USB Bluetooth adapter. Make sure the adapter is plugged in to your computer's USB port and your toy is turned on with the light flashing. Once the toy is connected, click Done and go back to the Cam extension settings page. The Cam extension will automatically detect toys connected to your PC. If you have a Mac, launch Lovense Connect. Make sure your computer's Bluetooth is turned on and your toy is turned on with the light flashing. The app will automatically scan for toys. Once the toy is connected, go back to the Cam extension settings page. The Cam extension will automatically detect toys connected to your Mac. Now your toy is connected. You can connect as many toys as you want, but it works best with 5 toys or less. You can always see the status of your toy in the top right corner of the Cam extension's settings page, or by clicking the Cam extension icon in your browser. Next, add your campsite. Click the plus sign in the top left corner and select your campsite from the list. For some campsites, you may need to manually type the name in. Now you can set up your tip levels. You can choose to use the Lovense recommended settings or configure it by yourself. For each tip level, you can choose which toy it applies to: the tip range, reaction time, and vibration level. To add another level, click Add Level. Make sure to fill in all the required fields. You may also want to configure some special commands. These are pre-made vibration patterns and a few other options to pause or clear the queue. When you're finished, make sure to click Save. One more basic thing to learn is how to make a control link. You can make a control link and send it to your fan directly to let them control your toy for a certain amount of time. Many models use this as an extra item on their tip menu to earn more tips. To make a control link, click the extension icon and choose Give Control. Then you can choose the time and which toys to let your fan control. Click Generate Link, and then click Copy. Then you may paste the link and send it to your fan in a DM or other chat application. Do not visit the link yourself, it is a one-time link. Now you're ready to begin broadcasting on your campsite and have your Lovense toy react to tips from your fans. Once you begin streaming on your campsite, you can send a test tip to make sure everything is working correctly. Click the extension icon and click Send Tip to make sure your toy reacts as you expect it to. Test tips only work when you're broadcasting. There are many more options, games, and tools available to make your stream more interactive and improve your income. Feel free to explore the Cam extension to see the other available features or keep watching our video guides. Happy streaming!